Namaskaram everyone. So I have Shyn Anna with me. So Anna also has a Devi yantra at his home. So Anna will not only be talking about his inner engineering, he will be also talking about the Devi yantra. So please watch the entire video. So I'll give to Shyn.
Namaskaram, my name is Shyn, and it's been so I started my journey with Isha in 2016.
Tell a bit more about yourself first.
Yeah, okay, yeah. So I am basically a naval architect engineer, and I'm based in Dubai. So it's been 6-7 years now, and my experience with Sadhguru and Isha started in 2016 when I was working over there. And I used to have a lot of sleep issues, so I used to find it difficult sleeping at night, and I was trying to figure out, and then I came to know about Uppa Yoga and Isha Kriya, and I started doing it, and I found it very, very effective and helpful for me. And then I did this our online inner engineering course also, because I was so excited, and it started giving me results that I said, okay, I'll do it now only. And after the Uppa Yoga, after the Nadi Shuddhi and all, I went into online courses, and that's when I understood then I have to do my Shambhavi Mahamudra also. So for that I came here 2016, and on the day of Taipuyam, I still remember it. So everyone said it's a very auspicious day, and I got initiated, and I've been pretty much there have been few days I missed out, but I've past 3 years I've been up with my practice, because it's because it gave me a lot of results, so that was the biggest thing. I could every day when I do it in the morning and I work, I can literally feel difference. I can know that day, that day goes so smooth, and there's so much of energy at the end of the day also to do a lot of things.
Like what about the office and all?
Office, yeah. So I work in an environment which is very hectic, right? So I know offices genuinely are hectic, but mine is like, it's like a lot of interactions, a lot of phone calls, a lot of technical issues coming up, and I need to be at my peak. Right, so there were times, I first the sleep issue was there, then it went off, then I used to get good deep sleep, and then I understood that even after the practice I'm more focused, more energetic, and I don't get tangled up with things, and I don't waste time, and I've been more effective at my work. So that is what I really love, and over the years I've been more I started appreciating small things also, like I used to miss a full moon, or a good scenery, and it used to go past my eyes, but I used to never appreciate it. But nowadays I'm able to appreciate all those things, so it's been beautiful. It's been a beautiful experience. So because of that, I understood how Isha Yoga is, and so I had no doubts when I got Devi into my home. So it was a dream actually.
Why? What is the Devi? The viewers don't know what is it. So could you talk why? What is it?
So in Isha Yoga Center we have the Devi temple, all right, and which is Sadhguru says it's like a very powerful place, and place, and you come to know when you visit and you sit there for a while, you come to know the energy over there, and I could feel it, So that's why I wanted that same energy in my home with my parents. So it's actually taken, I given them to my parents. So I want them to experience.
Is it something that we get from Isha? Like you just apply and get it?
Yes, so we have to apply for it. And there is no prerequisite, but it's only that we should understand what is it, and wow, and the immensity, how lucky we are to have something like that. Because that's because of Devi. My home is a different place. When I meditate, even generally, it's a very peaceful place. People come home and they find it very beautiful. I don't say there's something here, but they find it very beautiful at home, and they also don't know why. So it's been 1 year with Devi also, and so it's been pretty much beautiful. I did my Angamardana.
All right. How is that?
It's amazing. I mean, I was into fitness, so I'm more like a sports person. And I used to consider myself fit. And when I did Angamardana, I came to know where I am. So all those things, and I do almost every day Angamardana, and it's very it has kept me flexible, and I feel very strong also just because of that. So it's amazing. I mean, as a friend, I would suggest to do. Yeah, as a friend, I'll just suggest that you guys try out from the basics, or just sign up for the inner engineering course over here, and you will just love it.
Like before the inner engineering, if someone would have told you like Devi and all, would you have taken it?
No, not really. I mean, unless and until I got a personal experience,
Right?
yeah, I was like, then I had no doubt. I didn't have to ask also what I should do. Then I figured out my way.
Is it something Hindu thing, this Devi and all, or is it? Is it like a tool?
Yeah, it's like a tool. So Sadhguru says it's a tool to help us, achieve things in life, so that we can take care of the ultimate goal of why we are doing the yoga.
Yeah.
So have a very good life, and then step on that and go ahead for the ultimate goal. Alright, so it's a Hindu thing, I don't know, but yeah, it's a beautiful thing.
It's a beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful is good.
Yeah,
whatever
yeah.
it is. So what about Anna? Like how can people contact? Do you have an Instagram or something which I can link or?
To me?
Yeah. Means if someone wants to ask some queries or something to you,
Yeah, you can give my WhatsApp number.
can I put it in the description or?
Yeah, no problem.
Is it fine?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll put it in the description. Do you have an Instagram or something?
I have, but I'm not active. I'm really not active. I'm not much on Facebook these days also. In fact,
Okay. Then I'll put the WhatsApp number.
Yeah, that's enough.
So this is
Personal
the main part of
contact.
the video. You'd say everyone subscribe to this channel because it's an awesome channel.
Obviously, please subscribe.
Yes.
This guy is awesome. And please subscribe and get the sharings and the experiences from people like us who've come here and could change lives just by taking a good decision actually. So it's just understanding and feeling and going ahead as how you feel like.
Okay,
It's alright.
Thank
See you. Thanks.
Namaskaram.
Namaskaram.
Okay. Hey,